What will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you?
Hi everyone, this is Tash from Garden Breeze Productions. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of the new videos. And don't forget to watch, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today everyone, I'll be making one of my traditional Christmas drinks. It's a copycat of the Bailey's liqueur.
Although you've got your choice, please make sure the first is the cure. I make my sacrifice, only you, no one before. What will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you? What will it take, my love, to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes me feel so brand new. Love you forever.
This is my copycat version of Bailey's liqueur. Give it a try. Easy.
No one but you. Many a times I've tried it, baby, I can't deny it. I just can't live my life a day in this world.